we have seen about the use of definite article, that is a and a. Now we will see the use of definite article, that is the. The is used for specific noun. A and an were used for unspecific noun, but the is the article that will be used for specific noun. Let us see the use of the article the. The noun that has been used earlier. Let me make you clear. Do you remember one of the examples which I have given in the article, indefinite article? My father gave me a pen. And I told you that we are using the indefinite article for the things which we see for the first time. Here see, my father gave me a pen. Here we have used the article a, because here the mention of the pen has been done for the first time. The second part of the sentence say, the pen was very expensive. Here students, just mind, we are saying about the same pen which we have already mentioned. So, the pen was very expensive. So, the first definite article the is noun that has been used earlier. Is it now clear? Next use of article is for the ordinals. Ordinals are the number like first, second, last. For example, Mr. Rakesh Sharma was the first person to reach the moon. We all know this. So here the ordinal first is the ordinal. So before that ordinal we are using the article the. Common noun representing a class. People, let us see this with an example. Dog is a faithful animal. We are not talking about a single dog. We are talking about the whole class, whole community of dog family. So dog is a common noun. But here we are talking, when we say dog is a faithful animal, we are talking about the whole class of dog. So we are using the article the before this. Tiger is a brave animal. So we are not talking about one tiger. We are talking about the whole class of tiger. So we can say the tiger is a brave animal. Name of rivers, oceans, seas, anything which is unique or one of its kind. So we use the article the before the names of the river as the Ganga, before the names of the oceans as the Pacific, any of the sea and the Indian Sea, or anything which is unique or only one of their kind as the sun. We have only one sun, so this is anything which is only one of their kind. We will use the article the before that. So before the name of the river, before the name of the ocean, seas, or anything which is only unique or one of their kind. Another use of article the is before the group of the country's name. Like USA stands for United States of America. UK, United Kingdom. These are the countries, people, which was made with the help of many countries. Combination of countries are there, not only one country. So before that we will use the article the USA or the UK, but not for the country which is one single. We will never use the India or the Britain. Before the nationalities or the religion, we will use the article the, as the Hindus, the Christians, the Muslim, the Sikhs. We will use article the before the name of the mountain ranges. What is ranges, people? Where there are series of mountain, not only one mountain, series of mountains. Like the example, the Himalayas are the very beautiful mountain. Before the name of the famous building, the buildings which are famous, which we all know, as the Taj Mahal is the most beautiful wonders of the world, or the White House is situated. So here these buildings are famous building. We all know. So we will use the article the before the name of the famous building. Before the name of the holy books as the Gita, the Bible, the Quran, we will use the article the before the name of the holy books. For any of the awards, titles or honor, we will use the article the. We all know Paramveer Chakra is a award. So before the name of the award, we will use the article the. For title, if you all know Iron Man of India. Who is he? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So before the Iron Man, we will use the article the because it is a title which is given to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Again, Nightingale of India. Who is she? Sarojini Naidu. So before the title Nightingale of India, we will use the article the because it is the title which is given to Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Again, with the superlative degree, we will use the article the, like longest, largest, smallest. Let us understand with the example. The Ganges are the longest river of India. So here, longest is the superlative degree. Then we will use the article the before the superlative degree. Now we have seen where are the place where we will use the article the, but we will not use the article in all the places. Now let us see where not to use the article. Let's see. Before proper noun. People, we are never using any article before the proper noun. What is a proper noun? Name of a person. As for example, Ram. Ram is the name of a person. So before Ram, we will never use the article, any of the article. A Ram, the Ram and Ram we will not use. Again, before the name of a city. Like New Delhi is the name of a city. So before the name of a city, we will never use any of the article. We will simply say New Delhi is the capital of India. We will not say the New Delhi is the capital of the India. No, it is a wrong sentence. We will not use any article before the name of a city. Again, before the name of any language. The English, the Hindi, no. I love to speak the English, no. The Hindi is our national language, no. So we will never use the article before the name of any language. Buildings like education institute or hospital. Like I went to hospital. We will not use I went to the hospital. If we are specifying any particular hospital, that time we will say. Let us see how we will use the article here. I went to the hospital. The hospital was big. So here you are telling about the same hospital which you have already mentioned. So here we can use the article the because we are talking about the noun which is mentioned earlier. But here when in the first sentence I went to hospital, not a hospital or the hospital, because we never use the article before the name of buildings like education institute or hospital. Now next, we never use any article before the name of the mountain. Like Mount Everest is the biggest or the highest mountain. People, here do you remember? I told that we are using the article before the name of the mountain ranges. Ranges means a series of mountain. But before the name of the single mountain, we will never use any article. As the Mount Everest is the highest, no. We will not use the Mount Everest. It is wrong. Before uncountable noun. Uncountable noun we have already learned which we cannot count. Now let us see with an example. Coffee is sweet. So here coffee. Coffee is a uncountable noun. We cannot count it. So before coffee we cannot use any of the article a or the. It is wrong. Same with the abstract noun. Abstract noun we already know which we cannot see or touch. We can only feel it. So here like any ideas or any feelings. Example is honesty abstract noun. So we will not use any article before our abstract noun. Can anyone say we have used the article the before the best? Why, people? Yes, I know you must have guessed, because the is the superlative degree. So we have used the article the before the best. Now we are not using any article before plural countable noun. We have already learned that we are using articles only for a single noun, single countable noun. But when the noun is plural, we will not use any article. Like for example, birds flies in the sky. So here birds is plural. So we will not use any article a or an before, because here bird is a noun but it is plural noun. So we will not use any article. Same, flowers blossoms in spring season. So here again flowers are plural countable noun. So it is plural in number. So before plural noun we will not use any article. Students, I just request you to note down whatever notes I have given you. So here, with the help of the whiteboard, I have tried to explain it. So please, whatever things I have taught, try to note it down as a reference, so that with the help of examples and note, you can easily understand. For any doubt and queries, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Be safe and healthy.